Hello, namaste, assalamu alaikum, buenos dias, ciao, bonjour to everyone. I am here to briefly explain how to find your favorite artists and other awesome videos on the jonfromqueens YouTube channels. Let's go to the famous jonfromqueens 3 YouTube channel first to demonstrate. Type in your internet browser on top. youtube.com/jonfromqueens3 exactly as shown. Then, go to the channel search box, not the YouTube search box, and type in the artiste you are looking for also as shown. After typing the name, hit enter and the search results will be displayed. You can then scroll down and see many dozens or hundreds of videos related to the name you searched for. You can also search with other keywords such as Chutney, Chutney Glow, Chutney Wine Hintasa, Trinidad, Guyana, jonfromqueens, actress, model, poses, performs, dancer, dances, DJ jonfromqueens Mega Mix, Singing Duck of Queens, Big Rich, endorses, shout out, parade, sheriff, Shanaz, Shanaz musical sensation, Ken Rampersad, Nareen Dat Sukram, interview, Fagwa, Christmas, Bajan, etc. Now if you are interested in aviation videos, cruises, time-lapse, the moon and lunar eclipse, destination videos such as Italy, India, Florida, Trinidad, Trinidad Carnival, subway trains, Amtrak, One World Trade Center, September 11th just to name a few, just go to the sister channel jonfromqueens spelled without the 3. And follow the same procedure as shown in the beginning of this video. I hope I have helped shed some light on making the most of the jonfromqueens YouTube channels. And please kindly spread the word to your family, friends, neighbors, co-workers, and even your enemies about all jonfromqueens social media. Thanks for your continued support as it is very much appreciated. Have a blessed day.